Wasn't it cute? The little whip topping on top and the strawberries coming down and the little strawberries in the front and the windows on each side and all the whip topping. And here's another one of the cute little things, a little cherry on top. And look at the sweets for the sweets. Isn't it cute? And it's super cute all the way around too. Doesn't it look cute? Really thought it was super cute for the money. And here's another one, and this one, little cherry on top, and little candies all about, and the little heart on the door, and the cute little windows. And look how it's finished all the way around. Super, super cute. Loved it. Let me know what you thought. These were the cutest little Valentine pieces I found this year. Oh, do I love it. Let me know what you thought, my sweet friends. And of course, all the wonderful accessories too. Super cute. bought this all at one time, I was very, very happy with what I found. What do you think? I got a lot of accessories and a lot of fairy houses. Boy, can Grandma build a pretty big fairy garden with this shopping haul that she put together today. Oh yeah, can't wait to share the cost of everything. And I was super happy with everything I found. Let me know what you thought. What was your favorite piece that I bought today? Or did you have a problem like I did? There were so many pieces. I could have easily spent twice as much money. They had that much fairy supplies. They must have just got their collection in. I couldn't believe all the things I found. And here is my total. Can you believe it? It came to $25.89. That's pretty good. Oh yeah. Look at all the things Grandma got. And I was super, super happy with everything. Let me know what you thought. Is it amazing all the things you can buy if you carefully look and carefully shop at Dollar Tree? I got a lot of houses and I got a lot of accessories. And you can leave these out in the weather and they hold up pretty good, usually for quite a few years. And you're not going to be depressed if you spent a lot of money and they get broke or get messed up, because they're all super cute and very reasonably priced. So let me know what you thought of Grandma's great shopping trip today at $25.89.